I'm Nick Wall, engineer paramedic with Daviess County Fire Department, and we are on the Ohio River today with our new Rescue 1 boat for the Daviess County Fire Department. We purchased this fiscal year, and it's equipped with the new Humminbird Solix 15 side scan and down scan sonar system. We utilize it for responses along the 26 miles of the Ohio River. We use it on the Green River, backwater responses. Responding to the Ohio River can vary day to day with the amount of rainfall that we have. Could be an incident on a barge where somebody's having a medical emergency on one of the barges that travel the Ohio River. It could be a boater in distress, recreational. It could be someone that has come off of a boat, or a boat that has had mechanical issues and is no longer running and they're in the main channel. So especially at nighttime, that's a dangerous situation. This is actually a normal day with the amount of driftwood we have on the Ohio River right now. During the springtime, during flooding, it increases exponentially with the amount of trash and debris that's in the water, and traveling the river during that time is a whole lot more hazardous. Most boats cannot travel the Ohio River and hit a log and go on without any issues to the hull. Our boat 1 is all steel hull. It allows us to be in the Ohio River any time of year to respond to any incident that we may need to. Right now we're in the channel beside Yellowbank Island, pretty close to the Blue Bridge in Owensboro. And being on the water, as long as it's not a response, it's real peaceful. If there's a response out here, a lot of times it is a lengthy process. The last response we had, looking for a person that had drowned, it lasted 3 days before we were able to locate and bring some closure to the family. Looking for somebody, we'll use the old school methods of dragging along with all of our new technology. We'll also work with divers from Henderson County to help coordinate between the 3 different techniques of finding a person to bring them home. The city of Owensboro actually has a boat that is identical to this one, and that went into part of the purchasing for this boat, that we can actually lock this boat together with the one that the city of Owensboro has and create a larger, more stable platform for dragging operations and sonar operations and possible dive operations that could be going on all at the same time. We have water temperature, time, GPS location, the water depth. Right now we're at 12.7 feet with a temperature of 76.5 on the top water temperature. This shows you the different thermal layering associated with the river. The deeper you go, the colder the water will be. If it's 76 on the top, it could be down into the 50s on the bottom. And this is the side scan, and we're going out 101 feet both directions to see anything on the bottom of the river. There's a tree right there. Recreationally, anybody that's on the water, please wear your life jackets. They will not help you if you're not wearing them. Incidents can happen in a blink of an eye, and someone that is knocked out can't wear a life jacket. Can't go and grab one and put it on. Use all the recommended safety equipment that the Coast Guard recommends. The cutoff switches that are associated with boating. Make sure you have plenty of lighting, and have your plan for the day. Make sure somebody knows where you're going to be at and what time you're expected to be off the water. There's so many times that fishermen go out, and if there's an incident and nobody knows about it, nobody expects them back. Time is a critical factor in any type of emergency response, and especially on the Ohio River.